Today we will discuss some important questions from Elizabethan era. First question: who is the Elizabethan era named after? The answer is option number B, Queen Elizabeth I. Second question: what form of fine art Elizabethan is famous for? The answer is option number C, theatre. Third question: what types of plays are performed at English theatre? The answer is option number D. Fourth question: when did the Elizabethan era take place? The answer is option number B. Fifth question: William Shakespeare was born in option number A, 1564. Who is known as Bard of Avon? The answer is William Shakespeare. Who is known as poet's poet? The answer is Edmund Spenser. Who called Edmund Spenser poet's poet? The answer is Charles Lamb. Who wrote Faerie Queene? The answer is Edmund Spenser. Who wrote the Jew of Malta? The answer is option number C, Christopher Marlowe. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Write the answer in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.